Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In today's video, I am excited to guide you on the journey of personality development. Before getting into the video, let me ask you a few questions and understand ourselves. Have you ever wondered how some people just end up being more successful than others? These people are no different than us. They face the same problems, they have the access to the same resources. Then what seems to be the difference? The only difference is that they have mastered their guide to success. So, what do you think personal development really is? Do you want to develop your personality? Is it for your personal growth, better relationships, and career advancement? Is it about improving communication skills, building confidence, or something more? Worried and confused? Don't worry, friends. In this course of personal development, we will understand and learn how to develop our personality and be a successful person. Our personalities are like the unique fingerprints of our souls, and investing time in the development can truly transform our lives. If you have ever wondered how to enhance your communication skills, boost your self-confidence, or simply become a best person of yourself, you are at the right place. Whether you are a student or a professional or someone on a personal growth journey, the principle will explore you today and universally applicable. Personality development. In this video, we'll discuss in detail and understand what is personality development, importance of personality development, advantages of personality development, benefits of personality development, and how to develop personality. So, wasting no time, let's get into the video. What is personality? Before understanding what is personality development, let us understand what exactly personality means. To understand personality, let's take a moment to look at its origins. The word personality comes from the Latin word called persona, which means mask. In ancient times, actors would wear masks to portray different characters, transforming their appearance and persona to fit various roles. Just like those actors, we all have different masks or aspects of ourselves that we present in various situations at work, with friends, or even in our personal lives. Each of these facets contributes to our overall personality. Just think about it. What masks do you wear in different settings? How do these masks reflect different parts of who you are? In this course, we'll explore how to refine these aspects of our personality. Instead of just changing our mask, we will work on developing more authentic self that aligns with our values and goals. Personality refers to the unique and consistent patterns of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that distinguish one individual from another. It encompasses a wide range of traits such as how a person responds to situations, interacts with others, and perceives the world around them. These characteristics are shaped by a combination of genetics, experiences, and environmental factors. What makes a person's personality unique is the particular blend of these traits, which influence their reactions, decision making, and interactions in ways that are distinct from others. Personality is indeed shaped by several factors, and the four key components that drive it are character. This refers to the moral and ethical traits that define a person's integrity, honesty, and overall values. It influences how a person makes decisions, treats others, and handles situations that test their principles. Then comes feelings. Emotions play a significant role in personality by affecting how a person reacts to events and interacts with others. A person's emotional responses such as joy, anger, or sadness contribute to their unique way of dealing with challenges and relationships. Then comes behavior. This encompasses the outward actions a person takes in response to different situations. A person's behavior is visible reflection of their personality, revealing how they handle stress, communicate, or perform tasks. And then finally, the thoughts. A person's thinking patterns, beliefs, and perceptions shape their personality. These internal processes affect decision making, problem solving, and how they understand and interpret their surroundings. Together, all these four factors combine to form the essence of an individual's personality, guiding how they function in the world. What is personality development? Now let us understand the main topic, that is, what is personality development. Personal development is a lifelong journey of self-discovery, growth, and improvement. It refers to the continuous process of enhancing and refining various aspects of an individual's personality, making them unique and effective in how they present themselves to others. Personality in simple terms refers to how one presents oneself to the world, including the behavior, communication style, and overall demeanor. It influences how others perceive and interact with the person. Personal development is a lifelong journey that shapes an individual's distinct characteristics, attitudes, and behaviors. It's this process that makes people different from one another in terms of how they think, act, and communicate. Personality development occurs at every stage of life. In infancy, it begins with basic responses to stimuli, and as a person grows, they acquire social, emotional, and cognitive traits that shape their personality. Adolescence marks a critical stage where individuals solidify many aspects of their personality influenced by experiences, education, and environment. Changes in appearance, health, and biological growth affect confidence and self-image, the key parts of personality. Interactions with family, friends, and society play a significant role in shaping personality traits like empathy, communication, and leadership. Emotional experiences such as handling stress, joy, or failure greatly impact one's emotional maturity and personality. Personal development is not an instant change. It requires time and continuous effort to cultivate traits like confidence, resilience, and interpersonal skills. Continuous learning, self-reflection, and experience plays a crucial role in developing the personality. Personal development is a gradual process shaped by various life stages and influences, helping individuals to grow and refine how they interact with the world. It enhances not only one's external presentation but also internal traits such as emotional intelligence, confidence, and adaptability. Importance of personality development. Now let's discuss what is the importance of personal development is. Now you might wonder, why is personal development so crucial? Well, the truth is that our personality influences every aspect of our lives. From way we communicate to how we handle challenges, our personality shapes our interactions with the world. Enhanced communication. Developing your personality can significantly improve your communication skills. Clear and effective communication is vital in personal and professional spheres, fostering better relationships and understanding. Boosted confidence. A well-developed personality often goes hand in hand with increased confidence. Confidence not only impacts how others perceive us, but also influences our ability to take on challenges and pursue our goals. Resilience and adaptability. Personal development equips us with the tools to navigate life's ups and downs with resilience. It enables us to adapt to change, bounce back from setbacks, and face challenges with a positive mindset. Career advancement. In the professional realm, a strong personality can be a game changer. It sets you apart, making you a valuable asset in the workplace. Effective leadership, teamwork, and adaptability are the traits honed through personality development. Improve relationships. Developing aspects like empathy, patience, and understanding enhances our interpersonal skills. Stronger relationships, both personally and professionally, are often the result of well-developed personality. So, as we embark into the journey today, keep in mind the transformative power of personal development. It is not just about changing behavior, but it's about creating a positive impact in your life and the lives of those around you. Advantage of personal development. Now let us understand what are the advantages of personal development is. Personal development is not just a journey, it's an investment in a better version of yourself. Now let's delve into some of the key advantages the personal development brings. Enhance self-confidence. One of the significant benefits of personal development is to boost in self-confidence. As you work on your strengths and address areas of improvement, you will find yourself more assured in various aspects of your life. Effective communication. Developing your personality goes hand in hand with improving communication skills. Clear and articulate communication is a valuable asset and in personal and professional relationships facilitating better understanding and collaboration. Improved interpersonal skills. A well-rounded personality fosters better interpersonal skills. This includes empathy, patience, and the ability to connect with others on a deeper level, creating more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Adaptability and resilience. Life is full of challenges and changes, and a developed personality equips you with the resilience to navigate them. It enhances your adaptability, helping you face uncertainties with a positive mindset. Career advancement. In the professional realm, personal development can be a catalyst for career growth. Strong leadership qualities, effective teamwork, and adaptability are often recognized and rewarded in the workplace. Positive impact on mental health. Personal development contributes to positive mental well-being. It encourages self-reflection, self-awareness, and the cultivation of healthy mindset, reducing stress and promoting overall mental health. Increase motivation. As you witness personal growth through personal development, it naturally fuels motivation. Setting and achieving goals becomes more attainable, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Better decision making. A well-developed personality often comes with improved decision making skills. Clarity in values, self-awareness, and effective problem solving are the integral components that contribute to making sound decisions. So, as we embark on this journey together today, keep these advantages in mind. Personal development isn't just about changing behavior, it's about unlocking a world of opportunities and becoming the best version of you. Benefits of personality development. Now let's understand the benefits of personal development. The benefits of personal development are like the ripple effects of positive change that extend into every aspect of our life. Let's unravel these benefits. Increase self-awareness. Personal development encourages self-reflection, leading to a deeper understanding of who you are. This heightened self-awareness is a foundation for personal growth. Heightened emotional intelligence. A developed personality often goes hand in hand with improved emotional intelligence. This includes the ability to understand and manage your emotions and navigate social situations with empathy. Enhance leadership skills. Whether you are leading a team or leading yourself, personal development fosters qualities such as decisiveness, accountability, and the ability to inspire and motivate others. Improve time management. As you become more attuned to your goals and priorities through personal development, you naturally develop better time management skills. This is crucial for balancing personal and professional commitments. Greater adaptability. Life is unpredictable, and a well-developed personality equips you to adapt to changes more effectively. It allows you to navigate uncertainties with flexibility and resilience. Stress reduction. A positive impact on mental well-being is one of the profound benefits of personal development. It encourages a healthy mindset, reduces stress, and contributes to overall mental health. Enhance problem-solving skills. The process of personal development often involves honing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This is invaluable in addressing challenges and finding effective solutions. A well-developed personality includes clarity in values and priorities, leading to better decision making. This is crucial in both personal and professional spheres. Cultivation of positivity. Personality development contributes to a more positive outlook of life. It encourages optimism, gratitude, and a focus on the positive aspects of situations. Long-term satisfaction. Perhaps one of the most significant benefits, long-term satisfaction that comes with personal growth. As you witness positive changes in yourself, it brings a sense of fulfillment and contentment. So, as we embark on the journey together, keep in mind the benefits of personality and the transformative power of personality development. How to develop personality. So friends, we are at the final stage of the video and the important topic, that is how to develop personality. Here, now we'll understand in brief how to develop personality. We'll discuss in detail about each topic, how to develop personality, in the upcoming videos. Personal development is a continuous journey, not a destination. Stay committed to be open to growth and celebrate the progress you make along the way. In this course, we will cover a comprehensive range of topics designed to enhance various aspects of personal and professional growth. Each module will focus on developing essential skills and traits that contribute to well-rounded personality, which will be discussed in detail in the upcoming videos of personality development. Here is what we will explore. Communication skills development. In this topic, we will learn how to communicate effectively, both verbally and non-verbally, improving your ability to express ideas clearly and listen actively. Then comes attitude development. In this topic, we will cultivate a positive and growth-oriented attitude, which is crucial for overcoming challenges and staying motivated and achieving success. Then comes character development. In this topic, we will understand the importance of building a strong moral and ethical foundation that defines your actions, decisions, and integrity. Then comes body language. In this topic, we will master the art of non-verbal communication such as posture, gestures, and facial expressions to enhance your presence and confidence. Then comes health and wealth. In this topic, we will explore the connection between physical well-being and financial success, emphasizing the importance of balanced lifestyle and financial management. Then comes dressing guide for ladies and gents. In this topic, we'll learn appropriate dressing styles for different occasions, focusing on personal grooming and professional attire that boosts the confidence and makes a lasting impression. Then comes developing of networking skills. In this topic, we will gain insights into building and maintaining professional and personal relationships that can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Passion is the driving agent. In this video, we'll discover how to identify your passion and harness it as a powerful motivator that drives your personal and professional pursuits. Then comes time management. In this topic, we'll learn practical strategies to manage your time effectively, prioritize tasks, and increase productivity in both personal and professional settings. Then comes leadership development. In this topic, we will develop leadership qualities such as decision making, team building, and problem solving to effectively lead and inspire others. Then finally comes entrepreneurship and education. In this topic, we will explore the fundamentals of entrepreneurship and how education plays a vital role in starting and managing successful ventures. So friends, these are the different topics under personality development, how to develop personality. We will discuss in detail about each topic in the upcoming videos of the personal development course. This course is designed to provide you with the tools and insight necessary for holistic personal and professional growth. By focusing on areas such as communication skills, attitude, character development, and body language, health, and wealth, you will develop a well-rounded personality that sets you apart. We will also explore practical assets like dressing, networking, leadership, time management, and entrepreneurship will help you in excelling your personal life and career. Remember, personal development is a life-changing journey, and in this course, we will give you a solid foundation to continue improving and achieving success in all areas of life. By applying these principles, you will not only become more confident and skilled, but also create opportunity for growth and fulfillment. So friends, hope you understood in detail about the personality development, importance of personality development, advantages of personal development, and the benefits of personality development. And we have understood how to develop personal development as well in brief. In the upcoming videos, we'll discuss about each topic, how to develop personality in detail. So friends, if you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.